Hello guys, welcome to the 29th session of using Microsoft Board Framework, LUIS and Cognitive Services tutorials for beginners. In this session, we will see some settings and options available in LUIS application. Here is homepage of LUIS. From here we can see how to create a new application. By clicking on Import button, we can create a new LUIS application from JSON file. By clicking on this menu, we can rename or delete the application as well as export application data in JSON format. It contains application name, version, intent details, entity details, as well as all of the utterances. Even we can see details of all endpoint requests. Endpoint request means request which LUIS receives. It contains a query that sends timestamp and response generated by LUIS in JSON format. Let us open our app. From dashboard, we can see details about the application such as when it was trained, number of intents, entities and utterances, and some charts that represent endpoint request and intent details. We have already seen Build tab, and we will see Publish tab in next session. Let us click on Settings. Right side panel contains details of admin of this app. We can also add another user to this application as collaborators. We can delete app as well as make it public, and also change name and description. And here is the most important part of LUIS, that is versions. LUIS allow us to make multiple versions of application, using which you can manage different versions of LUIS app for testing, development, staging or production. To create new version of application, click on Import button. Select the file and write version name. Here I have just added new intent named for version 2 in exported file and remain other things unchanged. Let us click on Done. Here in the top you can see that it was changed to 0.2 from 0.1. Let us click on Build tab. Here you can see that it includes a new intent named for version 2. By clicking on this drop down, we can switch to different versions. Let us select 0.1. Here you can see that it does not contain any intent named for version 2. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any doubt, please feel free to contact me. Have a nice day.